This salad shows that you really can eat a rainbow with fruits and vegetables. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Wash your hands with soap and warm water. Rinse produce under cool running water. Cut the tops off the carrots and beets. Peel both vegetables. Using the large holes on your grater, grate the veggies. Next, grate the apple. Now for the dressing. You can mix the apple in or wait until right before serving. The beet will change the color of the apple. Beets are high in vitamin C, which is great for our immune system, and a great source of fiber that's good for our digestive system. Thank you to Food Corps for sharing this recipe. Enjoy!